teach you how to crochet a 4-leaf clover. Let's crochet a 4-leaf clover now, using 4 strands of cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Start with a magic ring. We can wind it twice here to make it tighter. 1 chain. Then take off the ring. Then crochet 4 single crochets in the ring. Then we can tighten the ring. First, go to the back. Pull this one first. This ring moves. Then pull it counterclockwise. Pull this again. This way the whole 1T loosen easily. One slip stitch with the first stitch. Tighten the slip stitches. Then we started to crochet the second round. In the second round, for single crochet increases, 1 chain. Then crochet for groups of single crochet increases. Finish the rest by yourself. A slip stitch with the first stitch. Tighten the slip stitches. Then we started the third round. First, crochet 5 chain stitches. 1. Then crochet to double treble crochets in the same stitch. One. 2. 3. Crochet another treble crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch, crochet a treble crochet first. Then crochet 2 more double treble crochets in the same stitch. One. 2. Then 5 chain stitches. One slip stitch in the same stitch. This is a group. We still need to crochet for groups. Now let's show the second group. First, crochet 5 chain stitches. Crochet to double treble crochets in the next stitch. crochet a treble crochet in the same stitch. One treble crochet in the next stitch. Then 2 double treble crochets. Then crochet 5 chain stitches. One slip stitch in the same stitch. The second group is done. Finish the remaining 3 groups by yourself. Each group accounts for 2 needles. Crochet for groups. After the last group is finished, a slip stitch with the first stitch. Tension. Then you can cut the yarn. Hide the yarn behind your back. Then disconnect. And a 4-leaf clover is done. It can be used to make hairpins, brooches, pendants, and decorations for clothes and bags, etc.